of the peace, don't forget that. I won't argue or fight, you can miss that. On my tongue, I ain't with getting lick backs. On my tongue, I ain't praise be to God, Jesus died and he rose again. He is the way and unlike, so I'm focused in like I had zoomed in the camera. Life was a mess, so he came as a janitor. So many things that I thought I could handle. Can we switch up the standards? Cause the good that we have is too fragile. And the good now I know if I can't fathom. Yeah, I live.
He chastised those whom he really loves. Listen to this video, he'll tell you what not to do. But people don't wanna hear him, they just wanna act a fool. Use your free will, watch it cause he really watching you.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of
Thelightkidd's Chill Spot.
Good food, good mood.
This is the chill spot, the Thelightkidd's chill spot. But today, what I got for y'all, well, what I'm finna do today, before I get started, how y'all day been? How y'all doing? I hope y'all having a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day. But like I say, what I am about to do, you can see.
Hallelujah.
Nah, cause I'm about to cook. Well, I ain't cooking much. Cause I'm finna make me. Nah, cause I'm finna make me a jerk chicken salad. I still had some jerk seasoning, so I was like, I'm gonna make me a jerk chicken salad. Got all the ingredients here. Well, I did this yesterday. I let it marinate overnight. But all the seasonings that's in it is the jerk sauce or the jerk seasoning. Then I added Cajun seasoning. What else I added? Complete seasoning, garlic and onion, cayenne pepper, and some mango. Cause we got a mango tree in our backyard, so I added some mango in it. But it smells so good. Look at that. Look at that. But like I say, it's gonna make me a jerk chicken Caesar salad. So we finna do this. But now I gotta, cause all the stuff that I'm adding in it, I got I got one more item to get. Should I might just add this. I'm gonna leave that out. Cause I was gonna put turkey bacon in it, but I'm gonna just leave it out. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go grab it right quick. I'll be back. Well, I'm back. I went to go get the turkey bacon. Cause like I told y'all before, I don't eat pork. So if it's pork, I don't eat it. I don't eat pork. Cause pork ain't good for you. People make it seem like pork is good for you in the whole protein, but pork is not good for you. It's not meant for you to eat. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna get started, and I'll be back. Well, yeah, I'll be back once I got this up on the stove heating up, and this on the stove. Cause this is the only thing this the only stuff I gotta cook. Cause I'm gonna saute these, and we finna do it though. Put my stove on, put my stove on. Put my stove on, put my stove on. First thing I'm gonna do is put these on the stove though. It's this the one I got. I love me some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. But we finna cook it up in some butter, put some minced garlic, put a little bit of complete onion and garlic salt, a garlic seasoning, and let it saute. Got the butter. Let it get up in there. Let it melt up. Let it melt up. And we're gonna cook this in butter as well too. Get started with this.
are not the same thing. He done took all the shame, all this freedom I obtain. Calling Jesus, yeah, I'm screaming his name. Every day I hear him calling. I can't ignore him, no, he visits every morning. Lately I've been pouring out myself. He be restoring. I be lying if I said it was easy. Go days without him and it really deplete me.
Some salt.
Many times I can see they pretend. Only you.
A little bit of garlic.
All those simple feelings I had to let go. Turn around and they come back again.
Not too much. A little bit of complete seasoning. Not too much. And a little bit of onion. Just like that. Like I say, I'm gonna get closer shots though. I'm just getting everything going right now. Probably gonna end up cooking more mushrooms though. But I can't lie, that look and smell good already. Okay, wow, I'm gonna put that on the lower heat. I don't want them to cook too quick. Some more butter. Oh, that smells so good. I love me some jerk chicken. A little bit up on here.
They try to tell you another way. They try to say it's another case. And they try to tell you it's just a phase. I look around and see deception. Doctrine of devils be spreading. I look around and it's reckless. I pray to see Christ's reflection. Came with this stump on the devil. I'm rising surprised and I'm seeing new levels. You gotta start blocking whatever he tell you. Your trust in the money is always gonna fail you. I got it the way and he never gonna fail you. Keep running the race, he gon' get to the middle. In love with the Holy Spirit.
For the chicken, yeah, for the chicken, I want to let it slow cook because I want it to stay nice and juicy. But I ain't gonna lie, what I need to do is get a bowl so then I can put salad up in there. I need a nice, decent sized bowl. For now, I'm gonna just use this. Mushrooms about done. Then I gotta cook some more. But I forgot to put the butter first. I was supposed to put the butter first. Salt. Well, I can put the carrots up in there. I'm gonna show y'all the whole salad once it's done. But like I said, I am gonna get some more closer shots of the food cooking though. Well, mainly the chicken, because the mushrooms, they cook quick. You can see the mango up in there. You can kind of see it getting cooked up. And let it just slow cook. It's in the juices, so. But yeah, you can see it getting cooked up. And just let it slow cook. I got the bacon.
I've been fighting, trying to live my life right.
tryna live right in your sight. Tryna do right in my life. Tryna play the rules every day, every night. I've been fighting all these demons, I've been fighting on my flesh. Most I coming back, I know he wanna see me best. I know that you with me and you cover me at night. Riding through the streets, Father, I need you, save my life, yeah. Save my life, protect me from my enemies. Protect me from the people that won't hurt me.
I'm done with the mushrooms. Now I'm gonna put the mushrooms in the salad. I really love me some mushrooms.
I just want you, Father, yeah, I need you right next to me. This was from the top, I need you,
So good.
Father, can you help me on the boat?
But so far, this is what it's looking like. Oh, I got the croutons. You know, you gotta have the croutons. Croutons in them. Well, it came with croutons, but I don't want to use these. Well, I'm still gonna eat them, but I wanted to use these croutons though. As this is cooking, I'm gonna clean up a little bit so then I ain't gotta clean up later. Because once I'm done cooking this, I'm gonna show y'all. But got the turkey bacon. Got the turkey bacon.
We need more leaders,
For
not no
a little bit.
I'm just sitting at your baby. Let me know. Great. I've been through some things and that's what made me. My decisions got me going crazy now. Caught up in some habits and I hate it. Man, I'm thinking, can he really save me now? Getting all these chances is amazing. Can't abuse the grace.
Really, the only thing I'm waiting for is the chicken to be done. But let me show y'all. Well, I didn't mix it up and everything just yet, but some more going in there. Well,
could've grown to be a star, but now they up in the sky. I've been through some things and that's what made me. My decisions got me going crazy now. Caught up in some habits and I hate it. Man, I'm thinking, can he really save me now? Getting all these chances is amazing. Can't abuse the grace that he gave me now.
like I said, it did come with, because it's a Caesar salad, it came with this, but I bought two of them because it was buy one get one free. But like I said, I didn't want to use this. I wanted to make my own because I do love me some salad. I love me some chicken Caesar salad. But the one I be buying, it was better to make it myself than to buy one pre-made. So since I was gonna make one, I was like, I still got some jerk seasoning, and I still got to make me a jerk chicken salad. It's gonna be actually my first time having a jerk chicken salad. As you can see, the liquid started evaporating. So now it's just the chicken now. So now I want to make sure it burn up. Well, it's been cooking, but vroom, vroom. No, let me stop. It's the seasoning. It's the seasoning. Well, these that I just made, I'm not putting in a salad. I'm just gonna eat these.
side. They left me to die. I was hurting, I cried. Now I'm waving goodbye. Goodbye to all the trauma that was put up on me. I say God look in my heart and he put up on me. They want me to fall, but that ain't what it's gon' be. I'm standing tall like I'm 25 feet. I stepped outside of his presence, wanted to deny the pain. Seeking alternative sources, started affecting my brain. I was talking to my dog on the phone, telling I need to change. 90 days, consecrated to the Lord, I ain't playing no games. For my soul, my pain, I'ma keep it up. Abundant life, I'ma live it up. He said his son as I get the us. Only living, ain't no sin in the sun. Like I had to change your heart. Stay in the bank, but I can't start. Finish the bank with my prayers are spark. How can I finish my name is smart? For real. Keep his eyes on me while I'm moving. Windows down, worship while I'm cruising. Spirit led, I am never losing. I made it out, it's already proven. The Lord on my side. They left me to die.
I just tasted it. It's so nice and juicy and flavorful. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. I'm gonna let it sit on the stove just for a little bit longer. And then they gonna go up in there, but it's so nice and juicy. Full of flavor, nice and hot. It's so good. Like I say, full of flavor, nice and juicy, just how I wanted it to be. Well, it's done. And now it's gonna go up in the salad.
Windows down, worship while I'm cruising. Spirit led, I am never losing. I made it out, it's already proven. The Lord on my side. They left me to die. I was hurting, I cried. Now I'm waving goodbye. Goodbye to all the trauma that was put up on me. I said God look in my heart and he put up on me. They want me to fall, but that ain't what it's gon' be. I'm standing tall like I'm 25 feet.
I'm finna eat a little bit of it, but not all. I'm not finna eat a whole lot because I'm actually finna go somewhere. I'm finna eat a little bit of it just to taste it, just to see how it is, give y'all a little review, let y'all know how it is. Well, I got me a little bit. Finna put some Caesar salad in there, Caesar chicken. Some Caesar in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gonna let y'all know how it is though.
The godly gon' live in peace, the wicked don't get no rest. They never gon' catch me lacking, got righteousness on my vest. Don't love the things of this world, we told you what's coming next. Got many things on my heart, I pray till there's nothing left. That world gon' keep us from sin, I'm praying I get delivered. His presence gon' flood the room, I know when I feel the shiver. This the only path to God, I promise it ain't another. How you say you love God, you don't even show love to your brother. Watch for the Judas leaving doors open for saying they hugging and showing smiles. Hope me they be really forgive them cause they don't know no better. Still gotta love them cause it's the fundamental. Why would I wanna choose the easy way? It's more reward to get it out the mud. It's the way out of these streets, boy, you ain't gotta be a thug. Demons ain't made to be friends, they taking over through the drugs. Such a lack of faith out here, I see the money's what they love. Pray for bro, he holding back.
That was good. That is really good. That is really good. That's really good. That's really good. Nah, that's definitely really good. Like I said, I don't want to eat it because, like I said, I'm gonna go somewhere. It's your boy Thelightkidd. Had me a nice jerk chicken salad, jerk chicken Caesar salad. Nah, that was really good. That was the chicken, nice and flavorful, juicy. It is so good. It's really good. But it's your boy Thelightkidd. I hope y'all have a blessed day, wonderful, beautiful day. I love each and every one of y'all. Peace.
Oh, when the world gets you tipsy, Getting drunk on their misery. When the world take your energy. Whoa. Ayy, fallen dragons wanna slay me. Most high, please save me. Most high vibration sent to me.
Bye, have a beautiful time.